It's Jay from Kids and Waffles. Today I'm going to do a little review on this little Tikes 10-piece tool set. As you can see from the outset, we have a nice durable plastic and a see-through window to see all the nifty tools inside. Inside we have a hammer, pipe wrench, screwdriver with changeable tips, a square, a level, a pair of pliers, and a couple miscellaneous nuts and bolts. While at the store, picking up a few things to work on my truck, decided that my assistant will need his own toolkit. And here's what he got, and you'll see what he does with it. If you loved what you saw and you want to see more, be sure to click like, share this video, and visit kidsandwaffles.com.